How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Alan. And you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Rome, Italy. And you?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a consultant. And you?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing the piano and going out with friends. And you?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings. And you?
What did you do today?
I went grocery shopping, and you?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have visited Brazil. And you?
What kind of music do you like?
I like listening to rock music. And you?
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I would like to know what you do in your free time.
Subscribe the channel to not lose new videos.